Host, ever been hanging out with friends, splitting the bill, and someone pulls out their phone with a sheepish grin? Hey, they say, I only have Zelle, can you Venmo me? Panic starts to set in. Is there a secret handshake or Venmo password you forgot? Fear not, fellow financial fumbler. Today, we're tackling the age-old question, can you Venmo to Zelle? The peer-to-peer powerhouses, a breakdown. Let's rewind a sec. Venmo and Zelle are both popular peer-to-peer, P2P, payment apps. P2P means you can send money directly from your phone to someone else's, ditching the awkward cash exchanges or scribbling on napkins for IOUs. But here's the catch, they operate in slightly different worlds. Venmo, with its quirky social feed and split bill features, feels more like a digital hangout for friends. You can add a funny comment to your payment, thanks for the pizza, you owe me one epic movie night. Think of it as a virtual high five with some cash attached. Zelle, on the other hand, is all business. It's integrated directly with your bank account, making it a secure and speedy way to transfer funds between trusted contacts. No social bells and whistles, just straight-up money movement. So, can you Venmo to Zelle? The answer you crave. All right, back to the burning question. The short and slightly disappointing answer is, no, you can't directly transfer money from Venmo to Zelle. They're separate systems, like trying to use your Netflix login on Hulu, it just won't work. But fear not, there are workarounds. Here are a few options depending on your situation. Workaround number 1, the classic bank transfer. This might feel a bit old school, but it's always reliable. If your friend can't use Venmo, you can transfer the money directly from your bank account, linked to Venmo, to their bank account, linked to Zelle. This might take a day or two to process, so it's not ideal for urgent situations. Workaround number 2, the Cash App caper. Here's where things get interesting. If you and your friend both have a third-party app like Cash App, another P2P platform, you can use that as a middle ground. Here's the flow. You send money from your Venmo account to your Cash App account, instant transfer within the app. Your friend requests the money from you on Cash App. You transfer the money from Cash App to your friend's bank account linked to Zelle, might take a day or two depending on Cash App's processing time. Workaround number 3, the patient pal. If the transfer isn't urgent, the simplest solution might be to ask your friend to wait. Explain you only have Venmo and see if they can hold off on sending their half until you can figure it out. Bonus tip, embrace the ask. Remember, clear communication is key. Don't be afraid to ask your friend, hey, I only have Venmo, would it be okay if I send you the money there? Most people are understanding, especially if you explain the situation. The wrap-up, P2P power with a pinch of planning. Venmo and Zelle are fantastic tools for quick and easy money transfers. But as we learned, sometimes a little planning is needed to bridge the gap between these P2P powerhouses. Remember, the key is clear communication and knowing your options. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.